Today I'm going to knit a beret, a very simple beret on 2 needles. Cast on 62 stitches. Work 4 centimeters in garter stitches. Knit all rows. This is how it looks so far. Now slip 1, purl 2, 1, 2, then make 1 front and back, front and back, and continue. Purl 2, make 1 front and back, front and back, purl 2, make 1 front and back, purl 2, front and back, wrong side, purl 2, knit 2, 1 slip, purl 2, knit 2, and continue until the end of the row. Next row, slip 1, purl 2, an hour, knit 2, pass the 2 knit stitches over the yarn hour. Purl 2, an hour, knit 2, and pass the 2 knit stitches over the yarn hour, and continue. Knit purl 2, an hour, knit 2, and pass 2 stitches. And continue. Purl 2, an hour, knit 2, and pass 2 knit stitches over the yarn hour. Next row, slip 1, purl 2, knit 2, purl 2, knit 2, continue to the end of the row. These 2 rows form the pattern. Continue repeating them. Knit the pattern for 18 centimeters. Now we start decreasing. one slip, two purl together, an hour, two knit, pass the an hour over two knit stitches and repeat. Two purl together, an hour, two knit, pass the an hour over the two knit stitches and continue. Until the end of the row. Next row, slip 1, purl 2, knit 1, purl 2, and continue. Repeat to the end of the row. Next row, slip 1, purl 1, knit 2, purl 1, knit 2, purl 1, knit 2, continue until the end of the row. Next row, again repeat, purl 2, knit 1, until the end of the row. Work 3 rows in the pattern. Purl 1, 3 knit 1, purl 1, knit 1, 3 rows. Next row, knit all stitches together. All stitches together. In the last row, purl all stitches. It looks like this. Pull the yarn through all the stitches. Now just sew. The beret is ready.